Okay, for today, let me work questions 3 through 6. Okay, determine whether the trapezoids are similar. They may not be drawn to scale. Okay, so what does that mean? That a size that is 8 can be bigger than a size that is 9. Right? 8 can be bigger than 9. These are not drawn to scale. So that means don't measure it. 8 can be bigger than 9. Just that use the numbers given. Okay, so what does this mean? I know for a trapezoid, we talk about before trapezoid, we talk about trapezoids is that two sides are parallel and then the other two are not. But the interesting part is the two angles on one side of the trapezoid, they add up to 180. And so do the other two. They add up to 180. So looking at question number 3 here, if one angle is 78, I'm going to say the other angle is 102. Why? Because they have to add up to 180. I see my two angles here, 90, 90. 90 plus 90 is 180, so that's good. On my other trapezoid, I'm going to say the angle missing is 85 because these two angles have to add up to 180. Okay, so tell me if they are similar or not. Two things we need to have. Same shape. That's the first thing we need to have. And then same size. For them to be same shape, the angles. We check the angles. All the angles have to be, corresponding angles have to be equal. And then to check the same size, we say that sides are proportional. We talked about that yesterday. Proportional. You have to have both things in order for this to be similar. So same shape. Are these two angles equal to these two angles? Are they the same? No. So not similar. I don't even care now if they have the same size or sides are proportional, I mean. Um, they don't have to be same size. I'm gonna say similar size. Sides are proportional. I don't even check the size because it has to meet both criteria. So as soon as it fails one, not similar. Okay, let's take a look at this one. I'm gonna say my angles. If one angle is 81, I'm gonna say the other one is 99. Why? Because they have to add up to 180. Same thing on this side. 99, this is 81. These two have to add up to 180. So same shape. In this case, it does meet it. Yeah, there. Oh, question number 1, it didn't meet same shape, so we don't care about the size. Here, same shape. They have the same angles. The angles are exactly the same thing. Now, sides are proportional. When it comes to sides, I'm only given one side per figure. And I told you that the fractions, I need two numbers per figure because I need to make fractions out of them because my fractions are going to either simplify to the same thing or I can cross multiply it. Here, I don't have enough information to make fractions. So in this case, I'm going to say not enough information. So for angles have to be the same, but I need to have at least two sides per figure, right? I need to make fractions. So I need to have at least two numbers. Okay, let me flip the page. Let me take a look at question number 5. When it comes to angles, I'm going to say this is 120 because these two have to add up to 180. So yeah, that's 120. And I'm going to say this is 60 because the two angles have to add up to 180. So the first criteria, when it comes to same shape, I'm going to say check mark. The angles are the same. Now sides, oh, I can check it. I see there's more than one side on the figures. So let me go my numbers from small to large here, I'm gonna be 5, 6, 9, and 11. And then the numbers over here, okay, the 5 goes with 70 over 3. The 6 goes with 28. The 9 goes with 42. And the 11 goes with the fraction 154 over 3. Oh boy, fractions. Okay. Would have been nicer if there were no fractions, but how am I going to get rid of fractions? What's the denominator? 3. Okay. So multiplied everything by 3. Oh boy. Multiply everything by 3. So that's going to give me 15 over 70. The first fraction, because, I multiply the top by 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. At the bottom, the 3 with the denominator cancel out. So that's why I only got 70. The second fraction, 6 over 28, that gives me 18 over 84. I multiplied everything times 3. 9 over 42, multiplied everything by 3. That gives me 27 over 126. And this is 33 over 154. I have no fractions. I just have one fraction, one number at the top, one number at the bottom. I have no fractions on the top, no fractions at the bottom. Oh boy, so how am I going to do this? If I divide 15 over 70, you want to remember how to simplify. Let me divide each by 5. That gives me 3 over 14. Here, let me divide each by 6. 18 divided by 6, 84 divided by 6. I'm simplifying my fractions. So that gives me 3 over 14. Interesting. Here, let me divide by 9. 27 divided by 9 gives me 3. 126 divided by 9 gives me 14. And lastly, let me divide by 11. Gives me 3 over 14. Oh, all the fractions simplify to the same thing. Now, you're not good at simplifying fractions. You struggle, but just get the decimal. 15 divided by 70, 18 divided by 84. Just get your decimals. 15 divided by 70, 18 divided by 84, 27 divided by 126, 33 divided by 154. Get your decimals and you're going to see each fraction is the same thing. And say you're not good at simplifying fractions, use decimals. Okay, so this it was same shape. Sides are proportional. Check. That means this is similar. In order for a figure to be similar, it has to have the same shape. That deals with the angles. Sides are proportional. Take a look at question number 6. When it comes to angles, I'm going to say this is 98 because these two have to add up to 180. And this is 82 because these two have to add up to 180. Same shape, right? Same shape. Click. That makes sense. The angles are equal. Now, are the sides proportional? Well, let me see. I have 3, 4, 7, 15. I'm using the numbers from one figure. 3 corresponds to 19. 4 is corresponding with 24. 7 is corresponding with 42. And 15 is corresponding with 91. 3 over 19, I cannot simplify. 4 over 24, that's 1 over 6. Wait a minute, those two are not equal, right? They don't simplify to the same thing. Then I don't even care about these last two. As soon as I found two fractions that don't simplify to the same thing, these are not proportional. You're not good at simplifying? Compare the decimals. 3 divided by 19 and 4 divided by 24. Okay. This case is not similar. He had the same shape, but the sides were not proportional.